Okay, friends, I told you I have a problem. So, I didn't show you all the seeds that were on this side of the table. So, I've got a haul from MIGardener. And these are all, no, these aren't all. These are MIGardener. Some more MIGardener. And then I've got some from Baker Creek. And then I've got some from Robbie from Visit Our Garden when he was getting rid of his black hollyhock seeds. He said to just write in the comments if you wanted some hollyhock seeds, and my daughter was getting married and she wanted some black flowers, so Robbie was so nice to send me out some black hollyhock seeds for my garden. So thank you, Robbie. I appreciate it. So we've got these. And then also I purchased some survival garden seeds. It's the Home Garden 30 heirloom seed packet. That's 30 heirloom seed packets. And I believe I've ordered from them before, but I believe this time the Max Life, they were doing something with them, and so I used their code to order these. And I opened them up, and I think I have some more seeds in here from when oh yes, I have some clear. Hi. I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem.
For anybody who watches social media and you keep up with Shats and some of them, oh wait, there's more.
Oh yeah. Oh, wait, there's more. There is more. Oh my goodness. So, what I did here, we've got the Home Garden packets, and oh my Lord. So, this is bad. Okay, so we've got, they come, I know, I'm probably going to drop a lot. They've got theirs already packaged in little things like this, and it's got wildflowers, arugula, cucumbers, radishes, melons, dickle, spinach, dill, jalapeno peppers, okra, California, Wonder pepper, melons, and eggplants, and beets, lettuce, parsley, kale, cabbage, and pumpkins. And they have radishes, winter squash, Swiss chard, rainbow mixed tomatoes, turnips, Roma tomatoes, watermelon, crimson sweet, and black zucchini. And then arugula, then another thing of arugula, large leaf basil, broccoli, carrots, national pickling cucumber, cilantro, and I believe that is wait, I've got more. Just a minute, there's some more in here. Remember, there were 30 heirloom seed packets with the survival garden seeds, and my husband has bought from them before. When I first got into gardening a couple of years back, he bought me 2 packages for my birthday. I asked for seeds for my birthday. So anyway, let's get back into here about what they did. Okay, these right here, let me show you what these are. Okay, so these all go with the Home Garden heirloom seed packet. Now, this is where I really racked up, and I racked up here at home. I live very close to a Dollar General, and they were getting rid of all of their seeds, and they had them like 75% off. So some of these I got for like 10 cents a package. And if you look at these are absolutely wonderful. Most of these are from Burpee. And they've got the really cute little pictures on the front. Like here's some sweet peppers. I've got some beets, some onions, some tomatoes. And so that was from Burpee's. And also that is their heirloom. So they had their Burpee's heirloom seeds on sale. And then they all came in the real pretty little packages. And then they had Burpee Organics also. And then so that was tomatoes organic, dark green zucchini. They had the sweet pepper California Wonder, and then I got another organic one from them too. Tomatoes, and then I believe then I got an heirloom crickneck squash, some more beets, cantaloupe, crimson spineless okra, spinach, green beans, some Brad's Atomic Grape tomatoes, and then beefsteak tomatoes for their heirloom. And then we got some more peas, because I love green peas. Love, love, love. And then we got some melons. I mean, so all of these right here, I got for about 75% off. And I was just taking all of them I could. I've got pumpkins. Oh, butternut squash. Yes, baby. Woohoo. Happy, happy. Woohoo. Happy dance. Cilantro. Summer squash. And then they had the yellow and the orange, or the green in that. And then we've got some Italian torpedo onions that were with their heirloom. And then some jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, red cord châtenay carrots. Never heard of them before. But I've got lots of onions. And then they had some sunset giant mix of marigolds, spinach some more, and then I've got some, these were really cute, cactus flowered mix zucchini, zinnias. So I haven't grown those, so that's good. I know I don't have any of those seeds. Some more spinach, sweet Italian basil, some more spinach, and then habanero peppers. So I got some hot peppers, and then I ended up getting some flowers. So I got some columbine, larkspur, alyssum, phlox, nasturtiums. I ended up getting several packages of nasturtiums, so I love, love, love those. So I've got 3 packages of nasturtiums, so happy there. And then I've got some white Lisbon bunching onions and some more green peppers, some Gardener's Delight, looks like some cherry tomatoes, some more Waltham butternut squash. So this was my haul just a couple months ago when they were getting rid of all of their seeds at Dollar General. So there's that. And then from Baker Creek, I just wanted just a couple of things, and I also ordered some garlic from there. I ordered elephant garlic and I want to say Tasmanian garlic. I think that's it. And I have a video where I planted that just a couple weeks ago. And so what I did here, I got celosia. And the reason I got this Asian garden celosia is because the flowers are pink, and you can use the flowers to make pink lemonade. And being in the South, we like our pink lemonade as much as we do our sweet tea. So I've got those from Baker's Creek. I've got Agastache, I think that's how you say it, rose mint. And then I haven't had any bee balm, and so I found some bee balm there. And then they gave me a free packet of corral carrots. And so we'll be planting those up. So we'll put those back over here with Baker Creek. And these are all MIGardener. So we are kind of throwing around an idea of some stuff to do here on the farm for the community. So I ended up getting a lot of different seeds that I normally wouldn't have purchased. But right now I've got long pie pumpkin, Jackby little pumpkin, Grand Rio Verde tomatillos, tomatillo, hey, tomatillo. And if you do grow tomatillos, remember you have to have at least 2 plants in order for them to pollinate. So in order to do that, I would just go with 4 just in case something happens to one. And then we've got some giant noble spinach, giant Belgium tomatoes. Loving the tomato thing here. And then they sent me a free one. What is this? It's a salad bowl mix, which I'm going to try in one of my green stalks. We have wild bergamot bee balm. Oh, so good. I have 2 bee balms. Yay! I didn't realize I had done that, but I'm glad I did because I haven't had those seeds in the past. I have red burgundy onions, and I bought some cosmos and this picotti cosmos, apricot straw flower, pink surprise calendula, and I was lucky to get bells of Ireland, and those are for all my flowers because I have tried to get bells of Ireland in the past and haven't been able to. And then I think this is a thank you card. Yeah, I was telling the seeds are coming in. Okay, so these are the Tam jalapeno pepper, which is new for MIGardener, I believe, this year. And it is a jalapeno pepper that does not have all of the heat. So we like to make a lot of stuff with jalapeno peppers, but I don't quite like all the heat. So hopefully these will be great to make all the things we do, especially like the cowboy candy. Sometimes it can get a little hot and spicy, but this says it is a mild pepper, so we'll see. I also have some habanada peppers, so those will be more of a sweet pepper instead of the hot pepper. Pepperoncini, is that right? Pepperoncini peppers, and those are a sweet pepper. Oh, cubanella peppers, which also are a sweet pepper. And we did get some Tabasco peppers because none of our Tabasco peppers grew last year. So we've got some more Tabasco peppers. Sweet banana peppers. We love sweet banana peppers. Ancho grande pepper. Cayenne long slim pepper. We got Big Jim pepper, and that is a hot one. Cayenne is hot. I also have some Luther gourds. Been trying to find some of those, and looks like, how long did they take? They take 120 days, so I'll need to start looking at them. We also have some baby boo pumpkins, Long Island cheese pumpkin, sugar pie pumpkin, and the Cinderella pumpkin. So that is my seed haul for this year from all my new seeds that I've just purchased from the end of summer till now. So now let me get on with it and organize all this.